What's up, guys? So, I found out what died in the ECU. I found it out. Um, I don't know how to fix it. I have a soldering kit, like a beginner soldering kit. I've never soldered in my lifetime, okay? I don't know what I'm doing. Um, and I don't know if it's gonna like break anything, or, like lose memory, or bro, I don't know. I could put things together like Legos, but electrical's like, oh, hold on. So, I'll show you what I found out, and then I guess my options for fixing the car. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just show you it. Alright, well, so obviously we're out on the porch. Um, After that last video, where's the bad spots? Let's turn this bad boy around. So here's the bad spot. I ended up using my old toothbrush and some brake clean on the toothbrush. I didn't spray it on the board because I didn't know if it would like hurt the board specifically, but I sprayed it on the toothbrush itself and just kind of like scrubbed, and a lot of basically the corrosion came off. There's some rust on that pin, but I mean, all in all, I feel like it's not too bad. And like there's some corrosion down on like this connector, or like that little pin, but there's two resistors that are dead here. I believe it's this guy, and I think it's that white one with the stripes. I had to double check with the multimeter just to make sure for you guys, but I was going through just checking stuff, and got readings off of almost all of these, like pretty much all of them. And then I started coming down here and checking like some of the really bad ones. Surprisingly, some of them still work. Like that big one works, that bottom one works, that guy works over there. It's just there's two that are dead, and I think that's actually what killed the car. I'm not sure what they do and like where they go. But yeah, I'm gonna get the multimeter out, and I'm gonna figure out how to get the camera set up, and I'll see if I can get a reading for you boys. Alright, cut me some slack. It's not the best setup. You guys are literally on an acetone can, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna ohm it out. That's what I have been measuring things at from, or yeah. But we're just gonna come over to these here, just so that we can see that it works. Yep, so 0.37, usually 375, 376 is where I've seen these at. And then back over to these bad boys. Was it this guy that's dead? Yeah, so this is the dead one actually. The upper one is the dead guy. This small guy is a good one. Yeah. This tube resistor is dead. Oh wait, one of these are dead. 7.6. What the fuck? Okay, before I wasn't getting a reading off of this. Maybe I wasn't getting a clean reading off of this one. So basically, this resistor's dead. Nope, this one. This resistor's dead. I don't know how to check this stuff to see how it's doing. I guess it's just one resistor that died, but regardless, it's hurt. What to do from here, I would assume you can order these square resistors. I don't really know. I don't deal with electrical stuff. Yeah. So, as you can see, I'm a little out of my element. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if what I'm reading is correct. I'm just being honest. This is completely out of my element. I could rebuild motors, I could put cams and retime motors and stuff. Circuit boards, resistors, capacitors, that's out of my element. So, not too sure what to do from here. I mean, all in all, the board is pretty clean. I could probably send it off to someone. I don't know who to send it off to. And I don't have the funds for it, so that's also fun. Yeah, I mean, if I could do it myself, like just resoldering that resistor, and it doesn't like mess the board up or like memories or anything like that, like I don't, hey, I'll give it a shot, you know, I'll fuck it. But if it's like gonna like really erase some shit if I take that thing apart and stuff like that, I just probably rather send it off to a professional. So, where do we go from here? I can get an aftermarket ECU, like a Link ECU, $1,300, programmable. It's got different readings and inputs that are pretty dope. I could send that out, although I don't know how much it would be to get serviced and if it can be fixed. Yeah, I don't know. If I could get it fixed for fairly cheap, I'll go that route, you know? I just want to drive my car again. The programmable ECU can always wait. But if it's not fixable, I'm basically spending as much as the car's worth. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, I don't know what to do, boys. Don't know what to do. So for now, she's just gonna sit outside. Keep an eye on her. I wanted to clean it, you know. I would like to scrub it down with some soap and like really clean it off, but it's dead. Mechanically, it's fine. I don't know. Just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's going on with the car, what I'm debating, things like that. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on another video. I'm just... don't know. Don't know. Anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Sorry it was a little short. I don't really know what else to talk about. I mean, I found what was wrong with it. I can't really fix it. So, yep. Leave a like, subscribe, check out our Kick channel, kick.com/smallphantom. Maybe go there and leave a dono for the E36 or something. I don't know. You don't have to. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe.